And now we get to do testing the subscriber app. Now remember, this subscriber app is for your customers to use to manage the network and to interact with the network. Now, in the last part of the subscriber workflow is when the email invitation is created and sent out to your customer. So if you want a refresher on that, go back and watch the subscriber workflow video. Now, this is what the email will look like. It'll have your company's name, your company's logo, information there. Now, assuming they've already downloaded the CN Maestro subscriber app, when they click Accept Request, the invitation code will automatically be put into there, and they'll be able to create their own password, and that will associate them with the network that you created in CN Maestro. Now, once they have the app running, you'll notice some key KPIs, some dashboard KPIs, key performance indicators along the top. 3 things people care about: what's the quality of the network, what's the quality and number of my client devices, and are there any security threats that I need to be aware of? So network, clients, security, right across the top, you'll see those things immediately. In the upper right-hand corner, touch that link, that little button up there, and you'll see an FAQ about Wi-Fi and the different services. That's also where they're going to find support information. And importantly, there's a link in there to invite someone else to manage your network. So your customers may want to invite, say, a family member to manage their home network, and they can do that right through that link right there. Looking at the rest of the dashboard, there's a large wheel dial on the bottom. At the top of that dial is a button to view all connected clients. Along the right-hand side, configure Wi-Fi. Now, this is also where they're going to see what their password is. And oftentimes people forget their Wi-Fi password. It's right here on the app, easy to find, so they don't have to trigger a support call to find out what their password is. On the bottom there is where they're going to view and edit profiles. Now, profiles are important. You want to create profiles for common groups of devices. Don't create too many profiles. It can get way too confusing. Keep it simple. Like, for example, IoT profile is good for all your IoT devices, kids and adults, maybe 3 profiles, but you can create as many as you want, but keep it kind of simple to make it easy. But this is where you're going to edit those profiles, and you're going to enable content filtering. You're going to schedule on-off times, bedtimes, and things like that. There are 3 tools at the bottom that are highlighted and they're emphasized. These are important tools: run speed test, family time, start family time, and optimize Wi-Fi. These are 3 things that we think people will want to do regularly with their network, and so they're easy to find right here on the dashboard. Now, we have included also a series of short video clips. There are 6 of them, as short as we possibly can make them, between 10 seconds and 90 seconds. Most of them are about 1 minute, so they're short, and they just show you some of these key things in a real live subscriber app network. And so take a look at those links as well.